Hi, I'm Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making an asparagus, bell pepper, ham, and tomatoes with a nice whole wheat pasta here that we already have boiling away in salted water with a little bit of oil in there. So the first thing we're going to do is start sauteing our asparagus and our bell peppers. You get these in the pan. Watch for a little bit of popping, but they'll settle down once you get them in. Want to season them well. Fresh cracked black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Already smelling delicious. And we're going to saute these just until tender. They're going to get nice and bright green. Then we're going to add in our ham, our tomatoes, our fresh herbs, and our cheese. While that's sauteing away, you can give your pasta a quick stir. My rule for box pasta is pretty much wide spectrum, about 7 minutes, give or take. That's a good time stamp to check your pasta at. And like we said before, anytime you're cooking pasta, you want your water to taste like the ocean. So it may seem like you're being a little heavy with the salt, but that'll ensure for nice, healthy tasting pasta. It's going to have big, bold flavors. And then you can always rinse off any excess salt at the end if you're really worried about your salt intake. Alright, these are just about where we want it. Goes pretty quick. I'm going to make some room. I'm going to add in our ham. Let it get some nice char on it. Add in a little bit of our tomato. We'll save some of the rest. Beautiful looking dish so far. Add in our seasonings. Got some herbs. Some spices in there. Add in some of our fresh herbs here as well. And save a little bit for the end there too. Bring my heat up just a little bit to let the ham get cooking along. You see how fast this dish comes together if you've done your prep ahead of time. Check our pasta again. Give it a couple minutes on that. Okay, so now we're going to add in our cheese here at the last minute. Sprinkle that in. That'll give you a little bit of a salty bite as well. Go great with our pasta. Alright, and that just about does it for this. So we're going to set this aside. Our pasta is just about done as well, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's finished.